If you need to call out important information during a presentation, you can use the presentation pointer on the remote control. First, press the pointer button located to the right of the arrow buttons. You then see a pointer arrow appear on the image being displayed. Using the arrow buttons on the remote, you can move this pointer to any area on the image. The default shape of the pointer is a blue double arrow, but you can change this using the Settings menu. On the remote, press the Menu button. Then using the down arrow button, choose Settings, and press the circle Enter button. Then you can press the right arrow button and use the down arrow button again to navigate to Pointer Shape, and press Enter. Then you'll be able to choose a different pointer shape from the 3 that are available. We can then press the Menu button on our remote to exit. To clear the pointer from the projected image, just press the pointer button one more time.